In this video, we'll be covering the 7 key benefits of duck walks, guide you through the correct technique for performing them, and share a few bonus tips that will help you get the most out of this powerful exercise. The first benefit is building functional strength in your lower body. Duck walks are an amazing exercise for developing real-world strength in your legs and hips. When you perform this movement, you're working your muscles in a way that actually helps you in everyday life. Your quads, glutes, hamstrings, and calves all have to work together to keep you moving in that deep squat position. This isn't like sitting on a machine at the gym where you only move in one direction. Duck walks challenge your body to maintain stability and control while moving, which builds the kind of strength you can actually use when you're climbing stairs, picking things up off the floor, or playing with your grandkids. Over time, this leads to stronger, more capable legs that can handle whatever life throws at you. Joint pain relief and knee health. One of the most surprising benefits of duck walks is how they can actually help reduce knee pain and improve joint health. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Doesn't squatting deep hurt your knees? Actually, when done correctly, duck walks do the opposite. This exercise strengthens all the muscles around your knee joint, including your quads and the muscles on the sides of your legs. When these muscles are strong, they take pressure off your knee joint itself. Think of it like having a good support system. The stronger the muscles around your knees, the less strain your actual joint has to handle. Many people who do duck walks regularly report that their knee pain decreases and their knees feel more stable. This is especially important as we age, because keeping our knees healthy means we can stay active and independent longer. Later in this video, we'll show you exactly how to perform duck walks with proper form so you don't hurt yourself, but first, let me tell you about another incredible benefit: enhanced balance and fall prevention. Duck walks are one of the best exercises for improving your balance and preventing falls. This is crucial as we age because falls are one of the leading causes of serious injuries in adults over 40. When you perform duck walks, you're in an unstable position that forces your body to constantly make tiny adjustments to keep you upright. Your core muscles, hip stabilizers, and ankle muscles all have to work together to maintain your balance. This trains your body's natural balance system in a way that most other exercises don't. The beauty of this is that better balance doesn't just help you in the gym. It helps you in real-life situations like walking on uneven ground, reaching for something on a high shelf, or catching yourself if you trip. By practicing duck walks regularly, you're essentially injury-proofing your body and giving yourself the gift of confident, stable movement well into your later years. Improve mobility and hip flexibility. If you've ever felt stiff when trying to squat down or struggled to move freely through your hips, duck walks can help unlock that mobility. This exercise takes your hips through a full range of motion while also strengthening them at the same time. Most of us spend way too much time sitting, which causes our hip flexors to get tight and our glutes to get weak. Duck walks reverse this problem by actively working your hips in all directions. As you move forward in that squat position, you're opening up your hip joints, stretching tight muscles, and building strength in the muscles that support healthy hip movement. Over time, you'll notice that everyday movements like getting in and out of your car, tying your shoes, or sitting on the floor become much easier. Better hip mobility also reduces lower back pain because when your hips move well, your lower back doesn't have to compensate for their lack of movement. Core stability and posture improvement. Duck walks are secretly one of the best core exercises you can do. When you're in that low squat position moving forward, your core has to work incredibly hard to keep your torso upright and stable. Your abs, obliques, and lower back muscles are all firing constantly throughout the movement. This builds functional core strength that actually translates to better posture in your daily life. Unlike traditional core exercises where you're lying on your back doing crunches, duck walks challenge your core to work the way it's supposed to work, which is to stabilize your body while you're moving. This kind of training leads to an upright posture that feels natural and effortless. You'll find yourself standing taller without even thinking about it, and you'll have less back pain because your core is actually strong enough to support your spine properly. If you're enjoying this video and want to take your fitness to the next level, I've created something special for you. My ebook, Reboot Your Body, is designed specifically for people who want to rebuild their strength, reduce pain, and move with confidence again. Inside, you'll find complete workout routines, recovery strategies, and nutrition guidance that actually works for real people with real lives. If you're tired of dealing with aches and pains and want a clear path to feeling strong again, check out the link in the description below. Now let's get back to the benefits of duck walks. Cardiovascular health and metabolism boost. Duck walks aren't just for building strength. They also offer significant benefits for your heart and metabolism. When you perform this exercise, your heart rate goes up because your large leg muscles need a lot of oxygen to keep working in that deep squat position. This gives you a cardiovascular workout while also building muscle, which is an incredibly efficient way to exercise. The sustained effort required to duck walk challenges your heart and lungs, improving your overall endurance and heart health. What's really exciting is that because duck walks build muscle in your largest muscle groups, they actually help boost your metabolism. Muscle tissue burns more calories than fat tissue, even when you're resting. So by regularly doing duck walks and building up your leg muscles, you're essentially turning your body into a more efficient calorie-burning machine. This can help with blood sugar control and maintaining a healthy weight, which are both crucial for long-term health as we age. Full body workout and everyday energy. While duck walks primarily target your lower body, they're actually working your entire body at once. Your legs and glutes are obviously doing the heavy lifting, but your core is working hard to keep you stable, your arms and shoulders engaged to help with balance, and your back muscles fire to keep you upright. This makes duck walks an incredibly time-efficient exercise. In just a few minutes, you're working nearly every major muscle group in your body. The compound nature of this movement also means you're burning a lot of calories in a short amount of time. But beyond just the physical benefits, many people find that exercises like duck walks give them more everyday energy. When you build real functional strength and improve your cardiovascular fitness, simple daily tasks become easier. You're not as tired at the end of the day because your body is more efficient at producing and using energy. The equipment needed for duck walks is essentially nothing. You don't need a gym membership, fancy machines, or special gear. All you need is enough space to walk forward about 10 to 20 feet. You can do this exercise in your living room, in your backyard, at a park, or anywhere you have a bit of open space. As you get stronger and more comfortable with the movement, you can add some light dumbbells in your hands or wear a weighted vest to increase the challenge. But for most people, especially when starting out, your body weight alone provides plenty of resistance. Now, let me show you exactly how to perform duck walks the right way so you can get all these benefits safely. Start by standing with your feet about shoulder width apart. Lower yourself down into a deep squat position. Your thighs should be parallel to the ground, or even lower if you can manage it comfortably. Keep your chest up and your back straight. Don't let your shoulders round forward. Your arms can be out in front of you for balance, or you can place your hands behind your head. This is your starting position. Now, while staying in this low squat position, take a small step forward with your right foot. Then bring your left foot forward to meet it. Continue walking forward like this, staying as low as you can in the squat position. The key is to never stand up. You want to maintain that low position throughout the entire walk. Keep your weight on your heels and the balls of your feet, not on your toes. Your knees should track over your toes, not collapse inward. Take small controlled steps rather than big strides. Keep your core engaged and your chest up throughout the movement. Breathe steadily. Don't hold your breath. When you've completed your set distance or time, you can stand up and rest. Shake out your legs between sets. For beginners, it's important to start conservatively and build up gradually. Don't worry about how far you can go at first. Focus on maintaining good form and staying as low as you can comfortably manage. A good starting point is to aim for 3 sets of walking about 15 to 20 feet or about 10 to 15 seconds if you're measuring by time. Between sets, take a rest period of 1 to 2 minutes. Your legs will be burning, so give yourself adequate recovery time. As you get stronger and more comfortable with the movement, you can gradually increase the distance or time. Many people work up to doing 30 to 60 seconds per set. You'll want to incorporate duck walks into your routine 2 to 3 times per week. This gives your muscles time to recover and adapt between sessions. One important tip is to warm up before attempting duck walks. Do some light cardio like walking or marching in place for 5 minutes, then do some bodyweight squats to get your legs ready. Start with shallow duck walks where you don't go quite as deep in the squat if you're new to the exercise. As your leg strength and hip mobility improve, you can gradually go lower. Remember, pain-free strength is what we're after here. If you feel any sharp pain in your knees or hips, stop immediately and check your form. Some muscle burning and fatigue is normal and expected, but joint pain is not. Listen to your body and progress at your own pace. The goal is to build long-term health and independent living, not to push yourself to injury. Another helpful tip is to practice your squat depth separately. Spend some time just holding a deep squat position without walking. This builds up the strength and flexibility you need to perform duck walks with good form. You can hold on to something stable like a door frame or railing while you practice getting comfortable in the deep squat position. As your confidence builds, you'll find duck walks become easier and more natural. Share this video with a friend who needs it.